Open your SST book, everyone. India political. Previous day, I have already completed the government of India and her neighbors. Okay, so today we will start state and union territories. State and union territories. Everyone open your book. Get ready for your class. Yes, Aratrika.
Ma'am.
Bolo. Tell me.
Ma'am, can you hear my voice?
Yes, I can hear you. Tell me.
My father already read this chapter, so I have made the states, capital and language on one para, and the second para not make any day you will ask.
I can't hear your voice properly, Aratrika. Can't hear your voice properly. I can't understand your what you are saying. I will start the chapter, then you will tell me, okay? First, I will start the chapter.
Ma'am.
Follow.
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yes. Will tell me later, okay? Arnav Bhuya.
Ma'am, this chapter is already completed mine.
Okay, very good. Okay, so state and union territories, the state government also function same as the central government. Okay, state government, Rajya Sarkar, also function the same as the central, Kendriya Sarkar, central government. Each state has its own legislative assembly. প্রত্যেক স্টেটের each state has its own legislative assembly. The members of the state legislative assemblies are elected by the people of the state. So, legislative assemblies legislative assemblies, each state has its own legislative assembly. The members of the state legislative assemblies are elected by the people of the state. People legislative assembly যে সদস্যরা তাদের কারা নির্বাচিত করে? People of the state, রাজ্যের লোকেরা, people of the state. It has two houses. These are Bidhan Sabha and Bidhan Parishad. The legislative assembly has two houses, okay, has two houses, Bidhan Sabha and Bidhan Parishad. States and union territories are the political divisions of India. State and union territories are the political divisions, rajnoitik, political divisions of India. There are 29 states and 7 union territories. There are 29 states and 7 union territories, Kendra Shashito Anchal. In India, including Delhi, Delhi is officially known as the National Capital Territory of Delhi, NCT. T, National Capital Territory of Delhi. Okay, so the state government also function same as the central government. State government এর function কি? রাজ্য সরকার কেন্দ্রীয় সরকারের মতোই কাজ করে। Each state has its own legislative assembly. A state legislative assembly holds equal legislative power with the upper house of state. Okay, a state legislative assembly holds equal legislative power with the upper house of state. ওপরের দিকের যারা স্টেটের থাকে তা একই রকম কাজ করে, ঠিক আছে? লেজিসলেটিভ অ্যাসেম্বলি is the name given in some countries to either a legislature or to one of its houses. The name is used by a number of countries including member states of Commonwealth of Nations and other countries. ঠিক আছে? And legislative assemblies main role কি? Main role ওদের কাজ কি? legislative assemblies কাজ কি? to represent the people, to form executive government of to legislate and to approve government request for money. Okay, legislative assembly কাজ কি? Approve the government request for money and to rule. Main role হচ্ছে to represent the people. আচ্ছা, legislative assembly of not more than 500 members. Legislative assembly not more than 500 members and not fewer than 60 members. Not more than 500 members and not fewer than 60 members. The legislative assembly টা কিভাবে গঠন হয়? 500 জনের বেশি হবে না আর 60 জনের কম হয় না। ওকে, not more than 500 members and not fewer than 60 members. The biggest state, Uttar Pradesh, has 404 members in its assembly. States which have small population and rare small in size have a provision for having an even lesser member of, যেখানে যে জায়গার যে প্রদেশের জনসংখ্যা কম সেখানকার লেজিসলেটিভ অ্যাসেম্বলির সংখ্যা মানে তার সেখানে জনসংখ্যা অনুযায়ী সেখানে কম জন থাকবে, ঠিক আছে? আর যেখানে পপুলেশন which state is very much populated, their legislative assembly has more persons. Okay, their legislative assemblies has more persons. আচ্ছা, those elected appointed বিধান সভা, ওই legislative assemblies মেম্বারদের কি বলে? MLA মেম্বারদের কি বলে? মেম্বার অফ লেজিসলেটিভ অ্যাসেম্বলি কি বলে? শর্ট ফর্মে কি বলে? MLA. Okay, each legislative constituency of state or the UT is represented by only one MLA. ঠিক আছে? MLA member of legislative assembly, member of legislative assembly. আর MP কাদের বলে? This is called a member of parliament. Okay, member of parliament. A member of parliament is the representative of the people who live in their constituency. Okay, so এত কিছু জানার দরকার নেই। তাহলে legislative assembly legislative assembly হচ্ছে বিধান সভা, বেঙ্গলিতে কি? বিধান সভা, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে state government also function same as the central government. Each state has its own legislative assembly. The members of the state legislative assembly are elected by the, তাহলে member of the যা legislative assembly মেম্বারদের কে ঠিক করবে? The people of state. It has two houses, Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. Okay, so the state government also function same as the central government. Each state has own legislative assembly. The member of the state legislative assemblies are elected by the people of the state. It has two houses. These are Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. Legislative assembly is divided into two houses, Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. States and union territories are the political divisions of India. States and union territories are the political divisions of India. There are 29 states and 7 union territories in India. 29 states and 7 union territories. Union territories means Kendro Shashito Anchal. ঠিক আছে? 7 union territories in India, including Delhi. Delhi is officially known as the National Capital Territory, NCT of Delhi. India is a land of variety, starting from its physical features to its climate. India কি আছে ভ্যারাইটি হয়েছে, land of variety, starting from its physical features to its climate. Physical features আগে পড়েছো, পাহাড়, নদী, সমভূমি, তারপরে হচ্ছে বেঙ্গলিতে বলছি কোস্টাল এরিয়া, প্লেন এরিয়া, ডেজার্ট এরিয়া, hill regions. Okay, so India has different physical features of its and to its climate. Everywhere there are different climates we see. Okay, in hill regions we see the cold climate because it is the far from the floor. Okay, it is far from, it is very high, so here the climate is very much cool, and here we are staying there in Earth. There is climate here in India, but in West Bengal here this climate is not too much hot, too much cold. Okay, here the climate is moderate. Climate is moderate climate. এখানে বেশি ঠান্ডাও নেই, বেশি গরমও নেই। ওকে, কিন্তু যেখানে পাহাড়ি অঞ্চলে প্রচুর ঠান্ডা থাকে, সেখানে স্নোফল হয়। So climate and features, physical features, India has different types of physical features and different types of climate. India varies in almost all its aspects. These aspects also include people's lifestyles, dressing and eating habits. So these aspects also include people's lifestyle, dressing and eating habits. জীবনযাত্রার ধরনটা পাল্টে দেয়। ঠিক আছে, যেমন ধরো তোমরা এখানে কি খাও, আমরা এখানে কি খাই, রাইস, বিকজ আমাদের এখানে ধানটা বেশি পরিমাণে উৎপন্ন হয়। Here we will eat the rice is the main food of this region, but wheat is the main food of Punjab. Okay, so পাঞ্জাবে গম হচ্ছে বেশি উৎপন্ন হয়, wheat is the main food. ওখানে রুটি চাপাটি রুটি is the main food of Punjab. পাঞ্জাবে কি হয়, wheatটা বেশি উৎপন্ন হয়। তাহলে বিভিন্ন জায়গার different place the food habits varies in different places. The food habits varies. Okay, food habits গুলো vary করে, বিভিন্ন জায়গার food habit বিভিন্ন রকমের হয়, because সব জায়গায় সবকিছু বেশি পরিমাণে উৎপন্ন হয় না, সেই জন্য ফুড হ্যাবিট গুলো different হয়। So India varies in almost all its aspects. These aspects also include people's lifestyles, dressing and eating habits. Dress are also different dresses. Here we wear shari, pajama, kurta, pant, shirt, okay, t-shirt. Here we will wear frock, skirt, and in South India their dress is different. In Uttar Pradesh their dress is different. In Bhutan, their dress, in Madhya Pradesh, their dress is different. Okay, so different areas varies, different types of these people wears different types of dresses in different areas. So food habit varies, dresses varies because of their climate. Because of their climate. Climate এর জন্য কি হয়? Food habit, dress এগুলো vary করে because of their climate. These aspects also include people's lifestyles, dressing and eating habits. The people of India speak different languages depending on the regions they belong to. So people speak different languages. Here we will speak Bengali. Okay, Bengali. But in other regions, they are speaking in Hindi. In abroad, they are speaking in English. Okay, so in different areas, the speaking, language is different. Okay, so language first, which the different climate, different clothes, different food habits, and different language. Okay, so India is a land of variety, starting from its physical features to its climate. India varies in almost all its aspects. These aspects also include people's lifestyle, dressing, eating habits. The people of India speak different languages depending on the regions they belong to. যে যেখানে থাকে সেখানকার সেই রিজিয়নের ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ গুলো আলাদা আলাদা হয় ডিপেন্ডিং অন দ্য regions they belong to. Now we will read about the states, their capitals, and the languages spoken in that particular area. Now we will read about the language, about the states, their capitals, and the language spoken in that particular area. Okay, so states, their capital and language spoken. States হচ্ছে Andhra Pradesh, capital Hyderabad, language Telugu and Urdu. States Madhya Pradesh, capitals Bhopal, language Hindi. Okay, state Assam, capital Dishpur, language Assamese. State Bihar, capitals Patna, languages Hindu, Urdu, Bhojpuri, Maithili. Chhattisgarh, capital Raipur, language Hindi. Goa, capital Panaji, language Marathi and Konkani. Gujarat, language capital Gandhinagar, language Gujarati. Haryana, language capital Chandigarh, language Hindi. Himachal Pradesh, capital Shimla, language Hindi and Pahari. Mizoram, capital Aizawl and language Mizo and English. Jammu and Kashmir, capital Srinagar and Kashmir, Dogri, Urdu, Latkani, Pahari, Punjabi and Dadri. Jharkhand, capital Ranchi, language Hindi. Karnataka, the capital Bangalore and language Kannada. Kerala, capital Trivandrum, language Malayalam. Okay, so we will stop here because you will just by heart the states and the capitals. Okay, every capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad; Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar; Assam, Dishpur; Bihar, Patna; Chhattisgarh, Raipur; Goa, Panaji; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Haryana, Chandigarh; Himachal Pradesh, Shimla; Mizoram, Aizawl; Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar; Jharkhand, Ranchi; Karnataka, Bangalore; Kerala, Trivandrum. Okay, so you will just do this capital of the states by heart. Learn this capital. I will ask tomorrow the capital of these states. Okay, so that's why I will stop here. Next, tomorrow I will start from Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, these and union territories and capital. Union territories and their capital. Okay, so we will stop here. তাহলে states and union territories and states, capital and languages. Everyone learn this portion. Everyone learn this portion. Okay. So the India is land of variety, starting from its physical features to its climate, and India varies in almost all aspects. Their lifestyle, dressing, eating habits, everything is different from other countries. Okay, India, there are different languages, different food habits, different languages, different food habits, different type of outfit. This is dressing habits, outfit, dressing habits, and different type of food habit and different type of clothes they were wearing. India, so India's many states in the different states have different food habits because of their climate. Okay, so climate here the main factor. জলবায়ুর জন্যই কিন্তু মেন এই প্রবলেম, এই সবগুলো ডিফারেন্ট হয়, ঠিক আছে? এই climate is the main factor. So here, and states and union territories আর একবার বলছি, the state government also functions same as the central government. Each state has its own legislative assembly, Bidhan Sabha. The member of the state legislative assemblies are elected by the people of the state. এখানকার মেম্বারদের বেশি কিছু জানবে না, বেশি কিছু জানার দরকার নেই, যেটুকু থাকবে সেটুকু পড়বে, আবার যখন উঁচু ক্লাসে পরের ক্লাসে যাবে আস্তে আস্তে করে সব জানতে থাকবে, ঠিক আছে? এখন এই যে তোমাদের যেটা রয়েছে, শুধু কি জানতে হবে যে স্টেটস এন্ড ইউনিয়ন টেরিটরিজ। ওকে, স্টেট গভর্নমেন্ট has also has the same central government, and each state has its own legislative assembly. Legislative assembly has two parts. Okay, so Bidhan Parishad, Bidhan Sabha and Bidhan Parishad. The members of the legislative assembly are selected by the members of the state, and it has two houses. State and union territories are the political divisions of India, Rajnaitik divisions, states and union territories. There are 29 states and 7 union territories. Okay, 29 states কেন? Andhra Pradesh 2014 এ ওটা ডিভাইড হয়ে যায় Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Okay, 29 states is the Telangana is the 29 states. Andhra Pradesh 2014 এ divided into two parts, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So this is 29 states. 29 states is Telangana. Okay, so there are 29 states and 7 union territories in India, including Delhi. Delhi is officially known as the National Capital Territory, NCT of Delhi. Delhi is the Delhi কোনো ক্যাপিটাল নয়, দিল্লি হচ্ছে ওর নিজেরা, ওদের ন্যাশনাল ক্যাপিটাল টেরিটরি, ওর নিজেদের নিয়ন্ত্রণ হয়, ঠিক আছে? সেটা ন্যাশনাল ক্যাপিটাল টেরিটরি এটা দিল্লি। ওকে, সো এটা হচ্ছে কেন্দ্র শাসিত অঞ্চল। 7 union territories and 29 states. 7 union territories and 29 states. So 29 states and 7 union territories. 7 union territories. Tomorrow we will just read the 7 union territories and also the capital of the states. But everyone learn the Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka and Kerala. everyone learn this capital of this state. Everyone learn the capital of this state. Okay. So here we will stop. So Shoptaparna.
Ma'am, not 29 states and not 7 union territories. Ma'am, my book has written there are 28 states and 9 union territories. But your book has written 29 states and 7 union territories. Why?
29 states. 29 states. 29 states. The 29 states is Telangana. Okay.
No, ma'am, 28 states. My book has written 28 states and 9 union territories.
But it is 29 states and 9 union territories. Tell me. Union territories name?
Andaman and Nicobar Island,
Yes.
Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Lakshadweep, Pondicherry, National Capital Territory of Delhi, Jammu and Srinagar and Ladakh. Ma'am, complete.
Jammu
and Srinagar and Ladakh.
Jammu and Kashmir to states.
No, ma'am. Jammu and Srinagar, and last number is Ladakh.
Ladakh. Yes. Acha, just you will take a snap. Okay, take a snap of this page and give me in chat standard 3A chat section. I will just see it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. But can I tell you 28 states?
Now 28 states we know that 28 states, but 29 states এটা হচ্ছে নতুন অ্যাড হয়েছে, ঠিক আছে? 29 স্টেটসটা এটা হচ্ছে তোমাদের হচ্ছে পুরনো এডিশন বই হয়তো পাওয়া যাচ্ছে না, কিন্তু 29 স্টেটস, এটা 29 স্টেটস হয়েছে নতুন ভাবে, যেহেতু এটা তেলেঙ্গানার। ঠিক আছে, তুমি আমাকে ইয়ে করো, ওটা আমাকে
your book has written 7 union territories.
Yes. My book has written 7
and 29.
Okay, you will don't give this argument. You will just take a snap, and you will give me in chat section, standard 3A chat section. Okay. I will just check it.
Okay. What is the meaning of union territory?
Kendra Shashito Anchal.
Intergovernment.
Government মানে হচ্ছে তোমার যেটা ইন্ডিয়া গভর্নমেন্ট বলে, গভর্নমেন্ট সরকার।
Ma'am, what is the meaning of national capital territory? What is the meaning of national capital territory?
দিল্লি ন্যাশনাল ক্যাপিটাল টেরিটরি, ওটা হচ্ছে দিল্লি। দিল্লিকে বলছে ন্যাশনাল ক্যাপিটাল টেরিটরি। এর তো কোনো তোমার ক্যাপিটাল নেই, ওটা তো দিল্লির, সেই জন্য বলছে ন্যাশনাল ক্যাপিটাল টেরিটরি। অফিসিয়ালি এটা নোন।
Bond.
Anything else?
Ma'am, bond. BOND.
হ্যাঁ, বন্ড মানে হচ্ছে বন্ধন, মানে ওর সাথে বন্ধন বলে আর কি, বেঙ্গলিতে বললাম।
Now I have no more doubt.
So today I will have no time. So you will just ask tomorrow. Then I will clear all your doubts, and Shoptaparna, you will give your page snap of the page, and just post it in the standard 3A chat section. Okay.